Poland has officially advanced its defense modernization agenda with the signing of a landmark technology transfer agreement for the K2PL main battle tank, a customized Polish variant of South Korea's K2 Black Panther. The deal, struck between Poland's state defense conglomerate Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa, PGZ, and South Korea's Hyundai Rotem, signifies a major leap toward industrial autonomy and domestic armored production capacity. It represents not only a weapons procurement milestone but also a strategic transformation of Poland's defense sector into a high-tech, self-reliant industry capable of sustaining its own modernization programs for decades to come. The K2PL project is part of Poland's broader effort to replace aging Soviet-era platforms and reinforce its land forces amid rising geopolitical tensions in Eastern Europe. Under the agreement, Poland will receive full access to advanced K2 tank technologies, including production blueprints, assembly procedures, fire control systems, and next-generation armor designs. This transfer of technology will empower Polish engineers to manufacture, upgrade, and maintain the tanks locally, ensuring long-term sustainability and cost efficiency. The localized version, designated K2PL, will be adapted to Polish and NATO standards, integrating reinforced armor, improved situational awareness systems, and enhanced battlefield communications tailored to European combat conditions. Polish Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz hailed the agreement as a turning point for national defense autonomy. This is not just a purchase. It is an investment in our future. By acquiring technological know-how, Poland is gaining the ability to produce, maintain, and develop modern armored vehicles at home, he said during the signing ceremony. The production of K2PL tanks will take place at key PGZ facilities, primarily at the Bumurlabdy plant, which will be modernized and expanded to handle large-scale tank assembly and component manufacturing. The initiative is expected to generate thousands of jobs in engineering, logistics, and manufacturing, while fostering the growth of domestic suppliers and research centers. The K2PL project stems from Poland's earlier acquisition of K2 tanks from South Korea under a rapid delivery plan initiated in 2022 to strengthen Poland's defense capabilities following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Those initial K2 units were delivered directly from South Korea to meet urgent operational needs. But Warsaw's long-term goal was always to transition production to Polish soil. The new agreement achieves that objective, ensuring Poland can sustain its armored fleet without dependency on foreign assembly lines. The technical cooperation between Hyundai Rotem and PGZ will also include specialized training programs for Polish engineers and technicians. Korean experts will work side by side with local specialists to establish production quality standards, testing protocols, and digital manufacturing processes. Once the knowledge transfer phase concludes, Poland will possess the capability to independently produce both the K2PL and future variants with potential upgrades, such as active protection systems, hybrid powertrains, and AI-assisted targeting modules. Beyond industrial benefits, the deal reinforces Poland's strategic defense alignment with South Korea. The partnership has already expanded to include contracts for K9 self-propelled howitzers, FA-50 light attack aircraft, and K239 Chunmoo rocket systems, forming one of the most comprehensive bilateral defense collaborations in recent European history. South Korea, for its part, views Poland as a critical gateway to the European defense market, while Poland gains access to proven, combat-ready technologies without the long bureaucratic delays often seen in Western defense procurement. Analysts see the K2PL technology transfer as a cornerstone of Poland's long-term security strategy. By building and maintaining tanks locally, Warsaw enhances its resilience in times of crisis, ensuring uninterrupted supply chains and the ability to upgrade platforms independently. Moreover, the program positions Poland as a potential exporter of armored systems within the European Union, particularly to NATO allies seeking modern yet cost-effective alternatives to German or American platforms. As Poland continues to modernize its armed forces, with defense spending exceeding 4% of GDP in 2025, the K2PL program stands as a powerful symbol of national ambition. It represents Poland's emergence as a defense leader in Europe, capable of blending industrial innovation with strategic foresight. In an era marked by renewed great power competition and shifting security dynamics, the K2PL technology transfer cements Poland's role as a regional powerhouse, ensuring that its defense industry not only serves its own army but also contributes to NATO's collective strength for years to come.